Hello, welcome back again to Chimade Education video channel. In this video, I want to introduce to you this new program that is izbid.org, and so it's a newly launched program, and it's a money-making opportunity program. So I want to show you, this is the first video I'm going to prepare on this, and that is exactly how to register, because the first step you take is to register. So once you register, you're going to see other things to do. So you're going to follow us, and you're going to get every directing videos that will guide you on how this system operates and why you need to be part of it right away. So the first thing you're going to do is to get the link, the registration link, and then I have it something like this. Now I'm going to click on it. Just watch what I'm going to do right now. It's opening up. Okay, once you are here, just look at the major thing you're going to do. You put in your phone number here, very important. Then click on login. Create your login password. Confirm the password. Don't touch this. This is a referral code. So if you use a referral link from someone who is already a member, you're going to have already this one there. You understand? So that's a referral. You don't need to touch it. So once you are done, you're now going to click on register. It's when you are done registering, you click on login to log in with your details. So that's exactly how it works. So let's quickly do it right now. So I'm going to click on this. So since you have plus here, please start with this. Start with your country code. That's how to start, because you can see plus and your country code. So that's it. Now choose your login password. Once you are done doing that, click on register. Already the reading of agreement, you have already agreed on the terms and conditions automatically. Click on register and the system will register. Just watch. It's okay. You're welcome. Now you can remove this. Now let's look at this. Okay. This is just a kind of welcome bonus. That's what you're seeing here. So don't get yourself disturbed. Now, the first thing I want to show you, as long as this system is concerned, is the various investment packages. Now, there are three major investment packages. I'm going to explain to you how it works. I'm still going to have a video that explains this more. So, but let me talk about it in this because it's very important. We have the VIP Pro. This VIP, how does it work? It works in a way that your investment lasts for up to 40 days, but you earn every day based on the package you choose. That's how it works. You understand? You earn every single day. You earn every single day. So once you get up to your minimum withdrawal amount, you can withdraw. And the minimum withdrawal is so small. It's less than 1,000 naira or so you can easily withdraw it. You understand? So you earn every single day. Make your choice of your category. Then how does this one work? The one called Fish Pro. Fish Pro runs only for 5 good days. And it pays heavily. So you put your money, you won't withdraw every day, but you're going to leave your fund up to 5 days. For instance, if you put in 5K, after 5 days, you withdraw 7,000. So you're withdrawing both your profit and your capitals. If you want to reinvest, that is your business, and that is so wonderful. So just put it 5 days, you withdraw it. You can now reinvest again and all that. And that's how this one works. Now, Event Pro is almost like Fish Pro, but it works for 20 good days. So you're going to leave your investment for 20 days, but this one yields small. So if you can leave your investment for 20 good days without, once you register with this one, you can't withdraw it until the 20th day when you withdraw both your capital and your interest. And this one is super because the interest rate is higher. So that's how this is works. So these are the packages under the VIP Pro. Let me show you. You can see this one is the grocery package. That's the first VIP package, 5K. You earn total of 12,000 in a cycle of 40 days. So you're earning daily 300 naira. That's what you're earning. Now, you see this one is 8K, you earn total of 19.2. You see this one is 16.5, you earn total of 39.6. You see this one is 30K, you earn total of 72,000. This one is 55K, you earn total of 132,000. This one is 87K, you earn total of 208,800. This one is a total is 150k. You earn total of 360,000. This one is 253,000. You earn 607,200. Now, if you are making a choice of it, before you do that, the first thing you're going to do is to recharge. I'm going to prepare a special video on this because it's going to be a process. I'll show you how to recharge, because you cannot just go to purchase this. You need to have your recharge amount here already. Then when you click on purchases, the system automatically deducts that from that. That's exactly how the system works. So that's exactly for it now. So if you want to also have your team, you want to share your referral link, there are so many ways to do it. Either you go here and click on this place, or you go here and click on this place. You're going to get your referral link. You can also click on mine to access that. So that's how it works. Now let me still show you the Fix Pro, the packages in Fix Pro. You can see it. That's what I just said before. Now VIP one is 5k to pay 7,000, but it will be after the 50th day. This one pays this after the 50th day and all that. This one 20k pay 28,000 after the 50 days. This one 50 to pay 60 to the 50 days. So that's exactly how this one. So it's only having 4 packages. Now you have the Event Pro. You see the package is cycle of 20 days, and you can't withdraw until after the 20th day. So this one you put in 200k to earn 500k after 20 days, 500k to earn 900,000 after 20 days. So only 2 packages you have here. So that's exactly how it works. Now you can see also some of these other benefits. You can click to check exclusive for newcomers. You can just check that and see how it works. So just follow us on this channel. We're going to bring you more of this. Now what I want to tell you, please, if you are seeing this video for the first time, this is newly launched. As you see me recording the video, the system has just launched today. So if you are seeing it and you want to join, this is what I'm going to tell you. I prepare these videos. I'm there for you to give you also financial advice. Yes, if you're going to join this program, join today. Don't just sleep somewhere and be saying, we are watching. Please, the right time to join is as simply as I've been launched. You start on time, grow your team, and make real money from this. That's very important. So I want you to join through my link and let me be your coach. You can always reach out to me on WhatsApp, ask your questions, or using the comment section here in the channel, and ask questions, and I'll always be there for you. Every question of how do I do this, how do I do that, I'm going to answer your questions. Are you getting it? So I encourage you, be part of this, and let's do it together. I wish you the best. I stop at this point. If this video makes sense to you, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, use the comment box, or you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp and ask your questions more privately, and I'll be there to answer your questions. Thanks, and God bless you. Thanks for watching.